Samsung Galaxy S6 exploded in a home in England. Carrier billing for Airtel and Vodafone goes live in India for Google Play Store. New cost-effective gaming laptops from Eyeball. Samsung Focus app to provide unified user experience. Hi, this is Shayan. Today is Monday and you are watching Insider Expert. A Samsung Galaxy S6 exploded in a home in England on Christmas Eve, missing a 6-year-old boy moments before who was sleeping on the line of fire. While the phone was charging, 39-year-old Victoria Leeds, actually the mother of the baby boy, was walking down the hallway of her home. Suddenly heard a sound coming from her bedroom. While the sound was not loud enough, but it was enough to make her run into the bedroom to see actually what has happened. And she discovered that flames are shooting out of her handset. Instantly, she took her baby boy and ran out of the house, while her husband unplugged the handset from the charger. Regarding the handset, Leeds spoke to Samsung, and Samsung said that they will be sending a replacement unit, for which she has been waiting till now. Meanwhile, Samsung also claimed that there are no issues with their Galaxy S6 handset. Carrier billing option for Vodafone and Airtel goes live in India for Google Play Store. Google has actually announced a partnership at a Google Playtime event on October last year, but they didn't specify a timeline for this. With the carrier billing option, you can buy movies, books, music and apps from the Google Play Store without the need of a credit or debit card, and the cost will be reflected in your postpaid billing plan, or else it will be cut off from your prepaid balance. To use this integrated feature, each time you make a new purchase from the Google Play Store, you just need to select the option that says select my Airtel or Vodafone account, and the price will be deducted from that. On a side note, Microsoft was the first company to introduce carrier billing option in India, and Idea Cellular at that time had introduced carrier billing for the Windows App Store since October 2014. When it comes to PC gaming, the most sticking out point is that the high cost related to even a decent gaming laptop or desktop. Actually, there are recently no cost-effective gaming laptops at the market right now. But the scenario may soon change, because Eyeball, a Mumbai-based Indian computer manufacturing company, will soon be unveiling their cost-effective lineup for gaming laptops in India, and for which they have already started acquiring stocks. Eyeball, the company, is well known for its budget range of computer-related devices, and it will be very interesting to see whether the same applies for their gaming range or not. Apart from this, there are also certain reports that claim that the company recently is not doing very well with their budget range of devices, and that's why they want to make a dive into the PC gaming world to see that it can change their fortune or not. There are several utility apps at the Google Play Store right now that provides a unified user experience, and the recent addition to the list is the one from Samsung called Samsung Focus. This app brings a unified platform for your users' email, contacts and calendar to provide a more organized viewing experience. The app is currently available for Samsung devices running Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow or above, and you can directly download the app from Google Play Store right now for free. The Samsung Focus app is somehow similar to the Google Now feed, and you will find a universal search option at the top right corner of the app, and the quick access tabs for your contacts, mails, memos and calendar events will be at the bottom edge of the screen. That's all for now. We will be seeing you in the next video, and if you have liked my video, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more awesome videos like this daily. Till then, bye.